This is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to change the Amazon KDP metadata for your book. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. I've been an Amazon KDP publisher for more than 10 years. You can see I have quite a few books on the Amazon marketplace, including this one, Social Security in 30 Minutes, Volume 1. I want to change the metadata for that particular book, and this is how you do it. Log into Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So this is my KDP account. Click on Bookshelf, and you should see a list like this. And you can see I have lots of books that are there. Find the book that you want to change the metadata for. So it's this particular one. You'll see a button that says More Actions. It has like 3 dots on it. Select Edit Ebook Details. And usually I do this every year or so. I edit the metadata a little bit, just change things up a little bit, maybe to help the performance. Sometimes you may discover that the book is not showing up in search the way that you want it to, or it's showing up next to books that it shouldn't be showing up next to. And that's because Amazon doesn't understand how it should be categorized. And of course, you can change the categories, and I've done another video about that, but you can also change the metadata here. So for instance, here are all of the metadata that I have for this book. Amazon KDP allows 7 different metadata keywords or phrases. You can see the ones that I have right there. And these are topics that come up in the book itself. So maybe what I want to do, for instance, is change 2023 to 2024 because it's getting close to the new year and I want to be ready for people that are searching for Social Security SSDI 2024. The other thing that I can do is I can insert terms like SSDI or Medicare or whatever. So let's say that I want to get rid of insurance. Actually, insurance is not a good keyword, metadata keyword, because I don't think most people are searching for Social Security insurance. They're searching for something like SSDI or SSI. So I just changed those two keywords, and I think I'm okay with this. Press save and continue. It's done. By the way, you should also be aware of any restrictions that Amazon has for certain keywords, and look on the Amazon KDP help pages to determine what that is. I'm not making any other changes on these other pages, the ebook content or the pricing, so I'm just going to go through that, save and continue. And then finally on the pricing page, just go to the bottom, publish your Kindle ebook. So the book will be republished with the new metadata keywords. There may not be any change in the performance of the book. I just want to make that clear. Changing the metadata keywords won't instantly turn your book into a bestseller, but it might help Amazon better understand where the book should be placed, not only in search results, but also on product carousels, Amazon advertising, if you're using Amazon advertising, etc. This is Ian Lamont from Lean Media. Thank you so much for watching. Go to leanmedia.org, click on blog or video to find out more information, more advice about how to get the most out of Amazon KDP. Thank you so much for watching.